少しだよ。
もうちょっとだけだ。じゃあ写真だけ撮ろうか。
撮ったじゃん。
もう一回みんなで。
You okay?
Can I move a shoe?
Eh, how you gonna walk?
Papa,見せて。
これなら焦げないよ。
Saan mo nila nakapit ito?
焦げる？
Sugoy. Najabo. Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Yeah, I told you. Oy, only asa sa yakiniku.
ちょっと手が熱いのあれがいるね。ちゃんと軍手は
触ってみたいの。
どっちもいるね。両手で軍手でしないとダメだって。写真撮ろうね。
Sugoy ko rin.
Mom, this is good.
なんでこんなところに増えるんだろうね。
綺麗。くぜ。
Sugoy. Put a pillow cover and then the bed cover. And then on scent, toothbrush niya. Ano ba tayo? Ay. Sugoy view. Hi guys! Welcome back to PinkSampaguita YouTube channel. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Oza National Park and we are now inside the hotel. So, gumising kami ng maaga ngayon guys, around 5 a.m. and then around 5:30 nasa biyahe na kami and nakarating kami sa parking area ng after 2 hours drive around 8 o'clock like that. And then after that, we took the bus and then we need to walk for 1 hour para makarating kami dun mismo sa start ng hiking trail. So before last year pumunta na rin kami dito, pero from the parking area papunta dun sa hiking entrance may bus dapat, kaya lang ngayon I don't know why Kasi may mga snow pa din dito sa summit. So, they're still fixing the roads. So, walang bus ngayon. So, medyo na mas mahaba yung trekking namin today. So, actually guys, I don't have a plan to vlog this. Look at that. I'm not prepared. My hair is so messy. I'm so sorry guys. So, I don't have any makeup. So, I don't really have a plan to vlog. But I think I thought of sharing it kasi parang maganda yung experience and hindi nyo pa ata nakita tong mag-hiking ng may snow dito sa Ozza National Park. So, I'm here, I'm doing my vlog and I'm using my cellphone again just to do the vlog. So, hindi talaga ako nagdala ng any cameras kasi ang bigat guys. So, from the hiking entrance, kailangan naming maglakad ng 5 hours para makarating dito sa hotel. So, hindi ko talaga dinala yung camera. So, no plan, charger, and so I leave it, everything I leave it inside the car. And then guys, if you can see, our kids are carrying their own bags. So, at least makalesen na sa burden ni mama and papa like foods, raincoat just in case umulan, and then what else? Water, yung mga things na kailangan nila, at least sila na yung nagdadala. Pero magaan lang naman guys, of course. So, what I brought inside my bag, guys, is this one. So, one night clothes for all of us, for 4 person, and pinili ko lang yung mga maninipis na damit kasi nga, ang bigat guys, hindi ko kayang magbuhat ng napakabigat ng mahabang oras. But I endure ito, nakasurvive. And then, medyo worried pa ako guys kasi malamig pa dito sa summit. So, kung manipis lang yung mga clothes, inisip ko, baka lamigin kami. But thankfully, as of now, medyo, what do you call that, tolerable naman yung lamig niya. So, kahit manipis lang, patong-patong na lang ng jacket. So, anyway, guys. So, check-in time here at the hotel is at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. And we arrived just now, around 2 p.m. So, kaka-check-in lang namin. So, 2:30, kailangan nang maligo sa onsen, guys. Kasi, kailangan mong pumila. So, hubby and kuya are inside the onsen na. So, I'm thinking medyo maya-maya na lang kami ni baby girl. So, kasi my husband is still planning to go out there and walk. So, papawisan na naman. So, later on na lang. So, anyway, before we continue this vlog, I would like to ask you to please subscribe on my YouTube channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Please do it now. And if you do this vlog guys, please don't forget to comment on this video and what do you think of this mountain, hotel mountain guys, na in the middle of the mountain na may mga hotels. It's so good guys. I don't know, in the Philippines I didn't experience yet going to the mountain like this na on the top of the in the middle of the mountain there's a hotel. Sana magkaroon din tayo. And if you know one, please comment it down. Baka pag-uwi namin. Baka pag-uwi na. Hi baby, say bye-bye on the hands. So baka para pag-uwi namin, just in case we have a time, mapuntahan din. I hope you will watch this vlog until I finish this and join us in this journey here at Ozza National Park. So, by the way guys, we need to stay here until tomorrow, 6 a.m. And tomorrow guys, medyo madugong ang lakaran kasi the last time that we walk in here is it takes 8 hours guys. Yes, you heard it right. 8 hours na lakaran guys. So, I'm gonna document it once again. And I think I do have a vlog of our previous hike last year, which is naka-silent vlog lang siya guys. Way back 1 year ago guys. So, If you want to check it too, please, I'm gonna put the link on the top of this video, guys. And stick in this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.
Give me something, something good. I get wasted on the thought of you. Head is spinning, I
Hi
can't
guys, so it's already 6:30 in the evening and grabe pa yung sunlight, hindi pa rin madilim dito. So katatapos lang namin kumain kanina. So ang start ng dinner is 5 in the afternoon and kumain kami ng mga up to 6:15. So katatapos lang namin. So ayan guys, so maybe by 8 o'clock matutulog na kami. So, walang TV, walang kahit ano kasi nasa bundok po tayo. Nasa gitna kami ng bundok. So, matutulog kami ng maaga and then gigising kami ng 6 a.m. or maybe 5 a.m. So, para marami kaming energy. So, we're gonna sleep early today. And tomorrow, well, kailangan na namang maglakad ng around 5, 7 to 8 hours. So, I'm gonna see you tomorrow, guys. I'm saving my battery kasi wala din akong dalang charger. So, that's it. And I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good night.
The next day.
Second day na guys. So, samahan nyo kami sa aming second day dito sa Oze. So, maglalakad tayo ng 7 hours guys. So, good luck up to us, okay? I'm gonna see you later. Subuhin niyo ko rin. Kawaii ne. Ang hanarimashita.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar.
姉ちゃん待って。
Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really
Yunka.
care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all. Baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything.
Subuhin niyo. So, ito guys, after 30 minutes of walking, nandito pa rin kami sa bahagi ng Lake Oze. So, the hotel is nearby the lake, guys. So, parang we need to rotate the surrounding. We need to walk the surroundings of the lake. So, we're still here, guys. So, some of the part has a frozen snow, but some doesn't have, especially some ground dun sa may baba. So, I'm gonna update you guys later.
One hour later.
What do you have inside? Chocolates and cookies.
Two hours later. Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So we are at the halfway, guys. We arrived. Let's eat snacks. Hi guys, so we are at the halfway of this trek here at the Oze National Park. So I think I need to record now my last part of my video because my battery is in low bat mode now. So I'm gonna update you guys if kaya pa ng battery later. So we already trekked for 3 hours from the hotel until here in this point. So another 3 hours or 4 hours to reach the end of this trek, guys. So I'm gonna update you later. Yes. And if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till our next hiking episode, guys. So this vlog, guys, is our way to escape the hot Tokyo, and another way to do our exercise and expose our kids to natural environment here in Japan. So if you do like this video, please don't forget to like or comment if you have a question. Okay? Yeah? Murabo na yo. It's a...
I'm a little off and I can't stop. I'm a little lost and I've had enough. Every step and every tear, every heartbeat.
Okay guys, so it's already 12:30 in the afternoon and pang 5 hours na natin to from the hotel, guys. So ayan, may background. Baby girl is in front of me. Kuya and Papa, they're just at the back. So, okay, I'm gonna check back later if my cell phone is still alive, guys. Kung hindi pa siya lobat, okay? So, mainit na dito sa baba, but on the summit, it's still snowy. Okay, guys. Maybe 2 hours more and then I'm gonna see you, okay? We're almost at the last station, guys. And I'm gonna see you there maybe 30 minutes more. Yeah, so by the way, guys, this one, I was so done. This one is broken. Any water this year because the snow is still melting. So I'm gonna see you after 30 minutes, guys, and I'll see you there. So baby girl doesn't want to rest because she's really motivated to hike this time, but before, way back 1 year ago, she easily get tired and asking for rest, but right now she really improved her stamina and her endurance. I'm so proud of this baby girl. High five, my love. Careful. So as you can see, guys, there's so many people hiking here. Okay, there are parts that are easy hike only, but there are parts that are hard, lalo na yung pataas. So I'll show you later, guys, okay? Maybe here, let's try here. I think it's... Let's have a lunch first.
I thought you didn't wanna hang with me, just not your kind of thing. You'd rather sit under your favorite tree.
It's already 3 o'clock now and we are near to the last and final station, guys. Ayan. And we are out the forest, guys, and that's the parking area. And sasakay na kami ng bus there papunta sa parking area. So see you in my next vlog, guys. This is a hard trek, guys, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Sayonara. Bye. Papaduko. Na UMT. And we need to buy the ticket. So, nandito na kami sa car park and sayonara. I'm gonna see you on my next vlog.